Designed for the professional carpenter, cabinet maker or remodeler, the M18 fueled 165mm track saw from Milwaukee delivers a powerful premium experience. With enough power to comfortably rip through solid hardwoods, we get the new POWERSTATE brushless motor, purposely built for the M18 fueled track saw. Milwaukee provides you with enough power and speed to complete all jobs, no matter how demanding the application, with the motor providing up to 5,600 RPM, so you can achieve high quality finished cuts. You get a smooth plunging action for easy plunge cuts. This paired with the powerful motor ensures you won't get bogged down with any type of material. REDLINK Plus Intelligence ensures optimal performance and provides overload protection to prevent damage to the tool and battery during heavy applications, while still maintaining compatibility across the entire M18 system. You also get reduced kickback and pinching with the built-in riving knife. Get all the power and precision of a corded power tool with the convenience and portability of the cordless M18 platform. The saw features a variable speed dial, allowing you to set your speed depending on your application. Use the depth scale with ease by simply sliding it for a quick and accurate adjustment, as well as the adjustable cam system, which allows users to dial in track to rail fitment for laser straight cuts. You get bevel stops of 22.5, 45 and 48 degrees to suit your common jobs, and a micro adjust depth knob for perfect depth setting. With new dust-free technology, you get over 90% dust collection efficiency while providing the portability and precision users demand from a track saw. So you can use it on site or on near completed homes without having to worry about making too much of a mess. It's compatible with 47.6mm vacuum hoses, and you also get a dust bag included with the skin. The Milwaukee guide rail is designed to deliver precise straight cuts. Compatible with the Milwaukee 165mm track saw, the guide rail features anti-slip strips to keep the track from moving during cuts, and an anti-splinter edge strip to help make splinter-free finished quality cuts. The guide rail also has optional attachments like the Milwaukee rail clamps, rail connectors, and track bag, which are all sold separately. The skin does come with a 6.5-inch finish blade, but Milwaukee also has a comprehensive range of blades available. They offer a multi-purpose blade, finish blade, fine finish blade, laminate blade, and a fiber cement blade that will fit perfectly on the track saw. Using the onboard tool storage, you can easily change the blades on the go. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 165mm track saw is going to make waves as soon as it hits our shelves, so make sure you check them out for yourself at your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.